Hi friends, this is Pankaj here and welcome to my channel Tips and Tricks. Today we are going to learn how to create a clipping path around an image in MS Word. The clipping path gives more professional looking designs. They can be used as an independent shape and can also be used to mask an image or create a transparent background. I am confident that the process of creating a clipping path in MS Word will offer a user experience similar to that of using the pen tool in Photoshop or Illustrator. Let's create a new blank document in MS Word. Place the cursor here, go to the Insert menu, click on Pictures, choose this device. Now browse the image, select it and click on the Insert button to continue. After the image is inserted, go to the Insert menu, click on Shapes and select the Rectangle tool. Drag it to create a rectangle. Right click on it and from Properties choose Edit Points. It will create an adjustable red outline path with some square black anchor points around the shape, indicating the path or boundary of the shape. Now to add some extra anchor points, bring the mouse pointer over the red outline path and as it turns into crosshair shape, press Ctrl plus click. It will add an extra anchor point to adjust the red outline path to surround the image closer to the edges of the image. Drag this anchor point closer to the image so that it touches the edge of the image. Repeat this step again. Ctrl plus click on the red outline path to add some more extra anchor points and drag these anchor points closer to the image so that it touches the edge of the image. Remember, if you use Ctrl plus click, then it will add a corner anchor point. And if you use only click and drag the path, then it will add a smooth anchor point. If any wrong anchor point is added, then bring the cursor on top of the anchor point and as it turns into a crosshair, press Ctrl plus click on it to delete it. Keep adjusting and tracing the red outline path over the entire image with the help of anchor points unless the image is totally covered with the path. Now start adjusting the red outline path and wherever you need to make the line curve or straight, simply click the square white handles of black anchor points and drag them until you adjust the red outline path along the image. After all the anchor points added, the red outline path surrounds the edges of the image and provides a very nice clipping path around the image. Now copy this red outline path and the image both by pressing Shift key plus left click. After that, open PowerPoint and paste it there in a new slide. Now select the red outline paths by pressing Shift key, go to Shape Format, click on Merge Shapes and choose Combine. Now first select the image and after that select red outline path by pressing Shift key plus left click. Now click on Shape Format, then click on Merge Shapes. And as we choose the option Intersect, we get the image with transparent background. Now copy this image and let's go back to the Word document and paste it here inside the text. Right click on the image, click on Wrap Text and choose the option Type. As we choose it, the text gets nicely wrapped around the image. Now select the image and click on Picture Format. Then click on Picture Border and choose Border Color. Now this border or outline will be like a clipping path of the image. Right click on the image and choose Format Picture. A panel will open at right side. Click on this Fill and Line option. Click on Line option and from there choose the width of outline. Now let's bring the clipping path that we have created into our document. Scroll the pages, select the red outline paths by pressing the Shift key plus left click. Copy the path, go to PowerPoint, paste it there and go to Shape Format. Click on Merge Shapes and choose Combine. Now copy it again and get back to our Word document. Paste it there, right click on the clipping path, then click on Wrap Text and choose option Through. Position it inside the text and use it as a shape anywhere inside the document. Now let's customize this clipping path like other shapes. Select the clipping path and from Shape Format, go to Shape Fill and choose the desired color. Similarly, go to Shape Outline and choose the desired color. Also click on the weight and choose the value that makes the outline thicker. Let's get back to our image. Select the image, go to the Format Picture panel, click on Line option and choose No Line. Now click on Effects, click on Soft Edges and we get a very nice image with smooth edges. So we can keep the image like this or we can keep the image with a clipping path by choosing line, width and color. Remember, if we remove the background of the image with the default remove background feature in MS Word, then we cannot get the border or outline of the image like clipping path and image won't have smooth edges. But by creating a clipping path, we get border or outline of the image with transparent background and smooth edges. And this clipping path can be further used as an independent shape also. I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to get notification for more awesome videos.